Silver and gold update. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty, quick silver and update. Quick silver and gold update. Silver, guys, actually, I said yesterday that I wouldn't be too surprised to see a rally down. It actually did rally down, didn't it? It's like, bam, it rallied down, but it still rallied down to my support level here. If I bring this up here, you can see it's actually just in this triangle pattern through here. Overall triangle pattern. You see that? So now I bring up this trend line here. We're still at this level of support. Actually, we did have a breakdown. Isn't it interesting? We did have a breakdown. Came down to a couple levels of support and then rallied right back up to where the buyers. That's actually a bullish candle, guys. It had so much selling and then so much buying coming into it. Quite a bullish sort of setup through there. Again, still looking at this overall sort of sideways pattern, guys. If we do break below this sort of 1950 level, we have quite a sharp run down to around about the 1850, even probably a potential spike down to $18. That's looking on silver. If we do break above it, then it looks like that silver has quite a nice little short-term rally. A nice good 6 or so% rallying if it breaks above this sort of 2250 level, and especially if we do this, guys, especially if we do something like this where the market rallies up, hits this resistance, comes back down, and then breaks back up, creating this little small little higher trough here, and then breaking out. Very, very, very bullish sign. And I have a target of the first target anyway for me would be $22, and that'll happen pretty quickly. In the market, so a quick short-term rise would actually happen within the silver market. So, and I'll show you how I got that a bit later on. But you can see, if you guys have been watching me, I use my projected tool to see where it's going to happen with that sideways channel. So you can see what's happening here. We're in the sideways channel. Where's it going to break? If we break down, that's where the target is for me on silver. Quite a rally, but the opposite actually happened with gold. You know, I was looking at the gold market here and I'm like, this is the opposite here. It's really, really, really interesting to see what's happening here on the gold market. That actually broke down, and you can see that I know this chart is very, very busy. Let me squeeze this chart up again just a little bit more and squeeze it up here. As you can see though, but looking at this chart here, you can see that we actually had this trend line going through here, and we actually had, you know, a couple of bounces from there. We had a bounce through there, and you can see how it's actually had a lot of problems breaking above that, and that has obviously caused this trend line going down through here. But we also do have this other trend line going down through here as well too. So it's sort of squeezed up. And is this some sort of a bear flag formation? We're looking at today's price action. The market came down, bounced off this bottom line here, came back up and rallied higher. If indeed, guys, and you can see this, if indeed we do get a continuation of this rally and we break up and out, and especially above this sort of probably the 1360 level on gold, and we get a rally up and out, that's going to be quite a bullish sign. And then we should start to see a nice rise back up to the 1440 level. If I go to my weekly charts, you'll be able to see exactly where my target is there. On that, so we can see that. So you can see, yeah, so around about the $14 level, or maybe just a little bit higher. So that $14 level, 1400 level for me would be a quick rise into it. If it really starts to move out of this sort of pennant that we're forming right now, then where could it go to? If we just draw a trend line from there to there, and let's just go and let's project that out. Let's just project that out from there to there. From where it actually breaks out, we can see that it's almost at the resistance level. See what happens here, guys. When you start to put these patterns together, everything happens for a reason. Short-term little breakouts, 1400. We break 1400, we have a pretty quick rise up to the 1550 level, because there's hardly any support and resistance. We can see from basically from here to here we had a big drop down, and that whole level there is pretty much white space. So if we break up and out past the 1400, we're gonna have a pretty quick rise up to there, where I think the 1550 level is, for me, is quite a decent level of resistance there. So there's a quick little update. If we break out, if we break out both on the silver and gold market, I see a pretty quick good rise in the gold. Once again, in gold, you know, we could see a quick sort of maybe 12% rise, and if that happens, then I don't know what's going to happen with. If it does break past the 1400, then we can see a target of around the 1550 level. If that happens on gold, then we could see at least a $26 level on silver. So we just got to watch out for this short-term level, but looks like it's building some energy, guys, to blast off to the high side. Let's just keep an eye on it. But we still could break down, so that's what to be careful of. But if we start breaking above those key resistance levels, like that silver chart here, I think we could see a nice spike up pretty quickly to around the 22 market. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.